Hey friends, let's get straight into this mighty song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts. So let's jump into it. So for our verse we're just starting on a D power chord, palm mute 2 times, then play open D power chord, then palm mute 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, then go to open D, 3rd fret on the G 2 times, and then play open D, 3rd fret G, 3rd fret B. Go back to the palm muting on the open and the 3rd fret 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then play open D, open G, palm mute 2 times. Then just a G chord. Back to the palm muting, open D and G 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going back to the D power chord, palm mute 2 times. The D off, palm mute 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Play open D and G. Then we're going 3rd fret D, 2nd fret G, palm mute 2 times. Then the chord we're playing here is 3rd fret D, 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B and E. Go back to the palm muting on the 3rd fret and the 2nd fret 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're palm muting on the 2nd fret on the D, open G 2 times. Then we're playing 2nd fret D, open G, 3rd fret B and E. Go back to the palm muting 3 times, 1, 2, 3 on 2 and O. Then you play open A palm mute, back to the intro again, back to the D 2 palm mutes, D off, 4 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Open D, 3rd fret G, 2 palm mutes, open 3 and 3. Then 3 palm mutes on the open 3, 1, 2, 3, and then just open D and G. And that's our intro there. Now for our verse we're just playing the intro all the way through again. Then we're going to start the intro again and it's going to stay the same. To the G, back to the D, 1, 2, 3, open to our 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now here it changes, we're just doing 1, 2, 3, palm mute the open A and then hold the D chord for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we play the whole intro again and then we're going back to the start again. This time just do 1 palm mute on the open D and then the D chord and then the rest stays the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, back to the D. 1, 2, 3, open to our 3, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now here it changes, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 with the palm mutes on the 2nd fret D, open G, then just hold the D power chord for another 2 bars there. And that's our verse. So for our next riff we're going to play the open A, 7D, 5G, to 7, D and G, then do that again, 7, 5, 7, 7, and we do that 3 times. Then go to 8D, 7G 2 times, stop, and then 8D, 7G, 8B 2 times. And we do that through 3 times, and the 4th time the start stays the same, 3 times again. Then play the 8D, 7G once, then just go to a C power chord and play that 2 times. Then we're going back to the end of the verse and just play the 2 palm mutes at the start, similar to the intro. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the G. 2, 3, 4 back to the D. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and back to our D. Hold for 2 bars. And that's our first bridge there. For our next riff we're going to play the open A and then an A sus4, so just a 2nd fret D and G, 3rd fret B. Do that again. Then open A just to the A chord, 2nd fret D, G and B. Then we're going to a C add 9, but just play the 3rd fret on the A, open G, 3rd fret, B and E. Do that again. And then just to a D, open D and a D chord. Then we're going back to the start again, open A sus4, open A sus4, open A. Then just strum the C add 9 to the G to a D power chord, and we do that 3 times there, and that's our 3rd riff. So this next riff's nearly done all on the E string. We have the open E, again, bend the 5th fret E, open E, bend the 3rd fret E, open E, open E, bend the 5th fret E, open E, bend the 3rd fret E, open E, open E, bend the 3rd fret E, open E. Then we play the open E again, bend the 5th fret, open E, bend the 3rd fret, open E. Then just play a G chord, 2 Ds and an A power chord there, and we do that through 2 times, so let's do that slowly. 2 times there, then we're going back to the first riff again. Time just play the G, then the D, and we're going to hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the and go back to the G again, holding for 2 bars, and then we're going to play a D over A, so just a D power chord with the open A string, holding for 2 bars, back to the G, hold for 2 bars, then we're going to build up on the B. So 1 and palm muting, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's our 4th riff there. For the next riff we're going to have 4 guitar parts. We're just going to play the open E, 7th fret on the A, hold for 3 bars. Then we play the G power chord. Then we're just playing open D, 2nd fret G 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play an E chord. And then just go back to the open E7 on the A, hold for 2 bars. Back to the G for a bar, and then back to our open D, 2nd G 3 times. 2, 3. That's guitar 1. Now guitar 2 is going to be doing this little lead. We're going to have 12 on the B, play it 3 times. 12 E, back to 12 B. And we just do that 2 times. Now there's a harmony on that. This time we're just playing 4 on the G 3 times, 5 on the B, back to 4 on the G. So then for our 4th guitar we're going to play 3rd fret on the B and the E. Go to 3rd fret B, 2nd fret on the E. Then 3rd fret B, open E to 2nd fret G, 3rd fret on the B 2 times. And then just open B and E. Then we're repeating that again, 3rd fret on the B and E, 3rd fret B, 2nd fret on the E, 3rd fret B, open E, and just finish on 2nd G, 3rd B. And they're all the parts to that next riff. Then for our outro we go back to our bending riff on the E string, but just play the open E once at the start. Our G, D, D, A. Now do the open E 2 times at the start. And the riff stays the same. G, D, D, A. Then we're doing the riff again. Then to finish just play the G, and then 3rd fret B, 2nd on the E, 3rd fret B, open E, and then 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Only You Guitar Lesson. Don't forget, if you love KISS, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.